Please carefully read the questions. This type of questions are often asked in the exam. And think also, where does the difference exist? To understand fully, follow the video step by step. For the first question, represent root 2 and hence 3 root 2 on the number line. How to answer? You see the answer. See, this is the answer we have to produce in your answer book. Solution 1, 3 root 2 is equal to root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. That is the 3 times of root 2 values on the number line. Now you are drawing the first triangle root 2 on the number line. After that you have to graphically show the 3 individual values like that. Draw this one, and then from here, from this value on the number line, we have to take 3 times plus root 2 plus root 2. Okay, and this is the final point, 3 root 2 on the number line. Your examiner wants this. That means root 2 you have to show first of all on the number line and then take 3 times graphically on the number line. You must do the answer like this. Okay, let us see the second question. Second question, represent 3 root 2 on the number line. Here there is no restriction for you to draw by any method. So one student can do like this. 3 root 2 equal to under root 9 into 2 equal to root over 18. Now this root over 18 can be easily split into two convenient perfect squares, 9 plus 9 equal to 3 square plus 3 square. So we can draw a triangle. Now we can draw a triangle of some bigger size, 3 and 3. This is the triangle. You see, give the perpendicular marks here. After that you take the arc length from here, okay, and complete it to cut on the number line. This is the point on the number line showing the value of 3 root 2. Okay, what is the facility of this? The facility of this is that if some student can think that root over 18 can be split into convenient squares, then it is better because it is very simple drawing here. You see that one, and at a time in a shortcut manner we are completing the things. And one more facility is that in a bigger drawing, by taking the larger segments, if you draw one drawing or triangle, it is easy for you, and there is less chance of any mistake in the paper. Okay, so this is one solution for the second question, represent 3 root 2 on the number line. And again, this one is also a solution. If some student think that root 2 is very easy to draw from him, okay, then he can do like that. Because all of us know that root 2, root 3, root 5, etc. are very common for the students to practice for the irrational numbers to represent on the number line. In that sense, some student can answer this way also and that way also. Okay, both the things are answered. It depends on your facility. The original value is same on the number line just after 4. The point is lying in the mark on the number line. The point is lying on the number line. Okay. But for question 1, you must do like that. Okay. And for question 2, anyone you can take. Let us study one more question. Locate 2 root 10 on the number line. How you will answer? Here there is no restriction by the questioner. Okay. Questioner wants that 2 times of root 10 should be shown on the number line. So here a student can adopt 2 methods. You see the solution. First one is like that. Solution 3. 2 root 10 equal to root 10 plus root 10, where root 10 equal to root over 1 square plus 3 square, or 3 square plus 1 square. Okay. So by taking this 1 and 3 as the two sides of a right angle triangle, we are showing this on the number line. We have to, by taking 1 unit and then perpendicular of 3 units here, and then join this hypotenuse of root 10. After that you draw one arc on the line, and then you can take 2 times of this. Draw that one. So this is the value showing here, 2 root 10 on the number line. Okay, 2 root 10 on the number line. Another method is this, which is that represent 2 root 10 on the number line. Solution 3. 2 root 10 equal to root over 40 equal to 36 plus 4, which are the two convenient perfect squares. Okay, and this is again equal to 6 square plus 2 square. So by taking two larger sides of 6 and 2, you are drawing a triangle here. See, 0 to 6 unit you take, and then a perpendicular of 2 unit, join the hypotenuse of root 40, and then here you can show like that. But remember that you should show here 2 root 10, not root 40. Okay, because you have converted this value into 40, but your questioner asked you to show 2 into root 10. So in the questioner's pattern, you should keep in your result. Show the result like that. Okay, you should present your result in this manner. So now the facility is that if a student thinks that 2 root 10 equal to root 40 can be easily converted into two perfect squares, which gives the two sides 6 and 2, then it is easy for him to draw this figure. Okay, at a time see that by taking bigger sides and in a single step it is finished. So in that way it is good. But if a student think that root 40 cannot be split into two perfect squares, so if it is difficult for him, then they can take this method. Okay, where root 10 is a small number. All of us know that root 10 can be easily converted into two perfect squares like that. Root 10 equal to root over 1 square plus 3 square. So in that sense, it is easy. By drawing this basic triangle, then you can take 2 times of that and represent the numbers. So it depends on your own facility how you are doing that one. Okay, any one answer you can select. I hope you have got the point.